Hello, dividing champs. I want you to take a moment to step back in time to first or second grade when you talked about fact families. Do you remember what they were? With adding and subtracting? Does this look familiar? When you have 2 plus 3 equals 5, well, that's related to just switching the numbers around. 3 plus 2 equals 5. And then those are also related to 5 minus 3 and 5 minus 2, because all of these facts in the fact family are using the numbers 5, 3, and 2. Do you remember that? Well, guess what? Multiplication and division are the same way. And I think a lot of you have already noticed that division facts can be figured out using your skills of multiplying. So if we're going to take my favorite math fact, do you know what it is? Right? And we know, because of the commutative property of multiplication, that a related fact would be just switching those numbers around. Because this is saying 3 groups of 4 or 4 groups of 3, they're both going to give you 12. Well, the related division facts of that is taking our total, always starting with the total, and we can either divide it into 3 equal groups or 4 equal groups, and we're going to get our fact family. Again, only using the numbers 12 and 3 and 4. Those are all related facts. I bet you can think of others, but I have a challenge for you. Most of the time, our fact families have 4 members. What about in a situation like this? Here's my fact. Are we going to have 4 related facts or 4 fact family members? If you're thinking no, you are correct. Because if we were to just switch around the 7s, well, that's the same thing, right? So all we really need to do is show the division related fact. There it is. Again, 49 divided by 7. Well, if we just switched our 7s, we're only going to have the same fact. So some fact families only have 2 facts because our factors are the same number. That's kind of fun. I hope you enjoy fact families, because I do.